In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to use Quick Share on Motorola Moto G87 with AirDrop on iPhone. So in order to check if it is possible to do so, first of all, we need to make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes over here. Besides that, you want to make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled. Now, we should be able to simply go ahead and open Quick Share on our Motorola. So let's do so. There we go. Let's tap on got it over here. Let's go to send and let's select an example file that we want to transfer. So I'm going to choose this one. There we go. And now in theory, we should be able to find our iPhone here on this list of nearby devices if it is supported. But it seems that the iPhone doesn't want to show up. Also make sure that you are actually using the same Wi-Fi on both devices just to make sure that of course we can see if we can transfer, if a Quick Share can work with the AirDrop, but it seems that it doesn't show up. So what we can do in addition to that is we can get a QR code and then we can try to scan it on our iPhone to see if this works, because sometimes on some devices and it actually works, we can use the Quick Share's QR code in order to download all the data from the website. There we go. Here we have an information that we are sharing with a non-Android device. So let's tap on the next over here. And here it seems that we can see the image. And there we go. We have the save or share or download button. So let's say I'm going to download it. And let's see if it's going to work. It seems that it is going to work. There we go. We have our photo that I have chosen. And yes, we can easily transfer the data. Of course, it is possible, but with the QR code. Without the QR code, it seems that it doesn't work, at least yet. It doesn't work yet. Perhaps in the future, there's going to be an update that will allow us to do so. But for now, it is not possible to directly transfer data, and we have to use a QR code. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.